Happy Thanksgiving! This is Kelly from Bellyfull Dinners here to show you just how easy and delicious your Thanksgiving dinner will be when you order your Thanksgiving dinner delivery from Bellyfull Dinners. You can order online at bellyfulldinners.com or just give us a call. We deliver to all of Petaluma, and for the holiday we will also be delivering to Santa Rosa, Rohnert Park, Penn Grove, Toddy, and Novato. Dinners arrive on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, chilled and ready to go right into your fridge, making your Thanksgiving morning the easiest that it could possibly be. You can order packages for 1 to 2 people all the way up to big parties of 15 or 20 people. We can do it all. Here's what's in it: turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, gravy, some stock, and rolls. You can also order things like candied yams with marshmallow topping, fresh cranberry sauce, and garlicky green beans. And now it's time to get everything ready to go in the oven. Getting things ready to go is super simple. For the most part, all you have to do is take off the plastic lid and cover it with foil, and you're good to go. And that's it. Your Thanksgiving dinner is done. All it took was an hour, a little bit of foil, and ordering your Thanksgiving dinner from Bellyfull Dinners.